So what you can also easily do is wrap text around pictures or objects as you want. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and let's say, for example, bring in this oval shape right here. Let me just go ahead and color this out as well. And I'm going to go around and take a text tool right here and click and drag this out right here. So I'm going to go around and say, let's say, for example, this is a paragraph right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and say this is a paragraph, just like this. And I'm going to go ahead and copy paste this out right here. So once I go ahead and do that, I can select all of these right here and then select out, let's say, for example, points right here, just like this. I'm going to go around and press enter right here. And then this is what you have, as you can see. So now what I can do is I can simply go around, utilize the selection tool and select all of it right here. Once you do that, on the properties section right here, simply go ahead around onto the summary section. And here you can see that wrap paragraph text is an option. So you can go around and flow this out to the left, and you can see that the shape now wraps around right here. So you can see that this particular text right here wraps around the shape right here. So this is what you have, as you can see, and then it is dynamic. You can also go around over here and flow it to the right here if I want to. So you can go around and you can see that this is what you have, as you can see right here. You can go around and then choose different options right here. So you can go around and then contour it out to the left and so forth. So let's just go around and select these out right here, just like this. And I can go around and select out different wrapping levels right here, just like this as well. Above and below, you can go for right and so forth, as you can see. Then you can even go around and change around the size right here in inches. So this is what you have, as you can see right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and wrap text around pictures right here. So if I were to go ahead and then bring in a picture, so let's just go ahead and delete it and go to file, and then I'm going to go around onto import. So once I go ahead and do that, I can go around and bring in picture. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around over here and bring in this YouTube logo right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and bring this out right here, this is a non-transparent logo. So I can simply go around and select these out right here. Then similarly, as with the text right here, I can simply go ahead and choose this out right here. So let's just go ahead and then select this out as well, wrap the paragraph text around, and then along with the picture right here, you can see that you can simply push around the text right here in different directions, just like this. And that is how you can wrap text around pictures and objects inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.